Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukanrat ki Sangma, ula Pynthikna ban khot iakren ya nonghikai SSA, ban iakren shwa hashwa baka sorkar kan shim ya karai ka khatduh, halor ka policy trekam ban penskem ne thungkam pura ya nonghikai SSA. Ya kanila pentip da President ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA uba Aristotle si Rambai hadin ka jinga kendo ya Menteri Rangba Kejela haka arba pratrik urisa ka MSSA kala aipor arbna ya ka sorkar jela bakan thau ya ka policy trekam na kabenta ka jingsngan ha ka jingshakri jong ki palat khatlah jarngut ki nohikai SSA ha Meghalaya ha kate ka jingalang iakren sani bha halor ki khatduh ka ni kimat ki balapan khre da katanat puli puthi ha ka de ka policy na kabenta ka jingsngan ha ka jing trekam jong ki nohikai SSA ha ka jela Meghalaya ong uba rambai na kalyang Menteri Rangba ula pentip hangi bak sorkar jong u ka kut jingmut scam bat shim kya hak de bak ni kaman bat shen ka sorkar kan sa khot ban yamir jingmut shu halor ka ni phang hashwa bak sorkar kan sa shim ya karai ka khatduh ula banram da ka ba shim ya ka ni ka iakren kum ka ba seiso president ka MSSA ula ong ngi kerman scam bahagi ni kisngi ki banwan ka sorkar kan sawanra ya ka policy ha ka de baka jingsngan ha ka jing trekam jong ki nohikai SSA ha ka jela Meghalaya kumbalong ha ki weipat ki jela jong kari na lor kata ula ai khublei ru ya baro ki menteri sorkar halor ka jingkershan ya ka ni ka mat jingdawa ha ka jingalang badang shen jong ka kunhun menteri Haresu Belpara North Garo Hills District ngi lapun paru ka jingko blay bat sngongo ya ka sorkar hapo ka jingalam jong Menteri Rangba halor ka jingmenjur ban penjelan ya karta thapkam na ka benta ki nohikai school SSA na ka life nyo sya ka sabusan snamrta khnang bakin yo lat ban apply ya ka kam hikai high school sorkar kata na du lower primary hadu high secondary level ong shu uba rambai.
We, the Meghalaya SSA School Association, a central body, we have just met the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama. Number one, we met him to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to the government under his leadership for the approval for the age relaxation to SSA teachers from 37 years to 45 years, so that they will get a chance to apply for a government job in teaching profession at lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary level. Number two, during the meeting we have also discussed in length regarding the certain recommendation prepared by the Education Department pertaining to come up with a policy for job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that his government are committed and are very positive regarding this issue. And very soon the government will invite us for further discussion regarding this matter before the government come up to a final conclusion. So based on today's meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, we feel that today's meeting is a very productive meeting, and it's also a constructive meeting. And we do hope that in the coming days, the government will come out with a policy for the job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, as done in other states across the country. Number three, we would also like to express our sincere thanks to all the cabinet ministers. As you all aware that a few days back we have met the cabinet minister seeking their support regarding this demand. So we from the Meghalaya SSA School Associations, we thanks all the cabinet ministers for the support during the cabinet meeting which was held at Belpara on 23rd of this month.